Airlines. Welcome to Los Angeles. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your carry-on stowed right where they are until the captain brings the plane up to the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. At that time, please use caution when opening overhead bins. Items tend to shift around and could fall out. If you are continuing on with us to another Southwest flight, please deeply check the TV monitors inside of the terminal for your gate and flight information. If you are continuing on to Phoenix, this is your aircraft. We do need to get an accurate through count. We'll get that through count from the back of the plane to the front of the plane. So if you are continuing on to Phoenix, please do remain in your original seats until we let you know we have the count. Once we make the announcement, you'll have time to get up, stretch your legs, use the bathroom, and of course, help us clean the plane. But once again, if you're going on to Phoenix, please remain in your original seats. At this time, you may use your cell phones, but please do so only if you can reach them without removing your carry-ons from where they're stowed. Do us a really big favor. When you're calling your friends, your family, your loved ones, make sure you tell them we're early. Yep, that's right, we're early, because we know you'd tell them if we were late. We'd like to thank you very much for flying with us today. We know you have many, many, many choices when you fly. But we can't think of a better one, and we hope you can't either. Go out, drive safe, buckle up, be good to one another, and come back and see us again just as soon as you possibly can. Welcome to Los Angeles.
If you didn't hear me, if you didn't hear me, then you should just say a plane landing for no reason. I'm stopping the video until it stops. The plane stops. It's when my camera stops shaking. Also, happy New Year's. Also, I hope you had a great party on your New Year's, at New Year's Eve. Also, tell me in the comments what your New Year's resolution is. Bye, guys.